Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. Today I will present a topic on chapter 2 ecosystem, which is conservation and management. In this topic, we will get to know how to describe sustainable development, experiences in biodiversity in Malaysia, and to describe conservation of diversity in Malaysia. First of all, we will learn about sustainable development. So, what is the meaning of the word? Well, it means that the development meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This sustainable development is divided into three: sustainable forestry, sustainable fishery, and sustainable agriculture. Let's we start with sustainable forestry. For this type of sustainable, we have to retention of seed trees, cutting limits, forest reserve, strip cutting, and reforestation. And then for the sustainable fishery, we need to initiate for biological control, crop rotation, row planting, control farming, street farming, terracing, and control of usage. For the last sustainable, which is sustainable agriculture, we can preserve the ecosystem by introducing open air cross-seasons, limit size of fishing fleet and number of days at sea. Trawling can be done in deep sea fishing only, setting weight quota system, limiting area for fishing activities, limit the net size, and also aquaculture. Malaysia is one of the countries that have rates of biodiversity in the world, but our country also having a trait towards our biodiversity. So in this subtopic, we will discuss about three major biodiversity examples that we have in Malaysia to see what is the trait towards those animals. Before that, let me take a deep expansion about extinction. This word means that the end of a species that occurs when the last individual of species is dead. Species which are not extinct are termed to extinct. The extinct but threatened by extinction are referred to as threatened or endangered species. So the first example of them is leatherback turtle. As we all know, this turtle was the biggest turtle in the world. For now, they are threatened by extinction because of excessive coastal development, marine habitat destruction, pollution, and accidentally entangled in fishing nets, and commercial trade. For the second one, we have milky stork, who is a mangrove bird. This kind of bird are threatened by the pollution of hazardous chemicals due to destruction, pollution by humans, high rates of pollution and disturbance, and the lack of major trees for nesting. The last example for threat of extinction is triple orchid. This species is in danger of extinction due to habitat destruction, illegal collection, and trade. In this subtopic also, we need to know the meaning of preservation and conservation. So, preservation means the preventive action to limit the damage to biosphere, while conservation means the protection, management, and renewal of natural resources. Now, the last thing we need to learn in this topic is about conservation of biodiversity in Malaysia. This kind of conservation is divided into two, which is in situ conservation and ex situ conservation. So, in situ conservation, also known as on-site conservation, which this kind of process will protect on endangered species in its natural habitat. Besides, ex-situ conservation, also known as off-site conservation, is process to protect an endangered species by removing part of the population from a threatened habitat and placing it in a new location such as zoo and botanical gardens. Well, that's all we need to learn in this topic. Thank you for watching this video.